Hi, and welcome back to WEF World. Today we will be exploring a restored trolley from the golden age of trolleys in the U.S. President's Conference Committee, or PCC trolleys, were a significant development in urban public transportation during the mid-20th century. They emerged from a collaborative effort by U.S. streetcar operators in the early 1930s to design a modern, efficient streetcar that could compete with the growing popularity of automobiles and buses. The PCC car was a leap forward in streetcar design, incorporating advanced technologies for its time, such as rubber suspension, improved electrical systems, and streamlined bodies. These innovations made streetcars faster, more reliable, and more comfortable. The rise of the automobile and the expansion of bus networks led to a decline in streetcar use after World War II. Many cities began phasing out their PCC fleets in favor of buses. The PCC trolley featured here is on display at Pittsburgh's Heinz History Center. It was taken out of service in 1988.
Rolling down the tracks where we used to play, trolleys weaving through the old alleyway, memories whisper in the gentle breeze, lost in the choruses of autumn leaves. Trolleys of time, where did you go? Paths we used to know, never show.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Show your support for WEF World by becoming a patron at www.patreon.com/AtlantaMusicCritic. Thanks for watching.
Trolley tales from days gone by, echoes ring as they pass me by. Rusty tracks where memories lie, faded dreams in the evening sky. Take me back to the days of old, when they were right that the story told.